विधानसभेचे शियाळे अधिवेशन वाडोवचे आनी म्हादय मुद्द्याचेर चर्चा करपाक खाशेले सत्र दवरचे अशी मागणी विरोधी पक्षाचे फुडारी युरी आलेमाव हांणी केला। तशेंच म्हादयचो प्रश्न सुटावो करपाक आमी एकठांय येवया अशें आवाहन युरी आलेमाव हांणी ह्या वेळार केलां।
Seems like this BJP government has given Goa coal. Have they given Goa a new airport? And in return, criminal J activities are. And shocking, they have sold and in return taken away our mother, Mhadei. See, the time has come for all of us to show our commitment today towards Mother Mhadei and Goa. We will not indulge in any political games or battle of words and rhetorics. The Chief Minister should tender his resignation. Jenna tu aaj statement hoda ki you are pro Mhadei. You have to prove your loyalty. I also believe that all the 40 MLAs, all of us should be prepared en masse to submit our resignation. Let there be no political differences. जे आज central government they only believe in numbers. This is the only way that they will realize that Goans are united. And Goa and Mother Mhadei demands this sacrifice from us. So you be prepared to resign, Mr. Chief Minister, if you are serious on your words. Kalcha Disak, he made a statement that we shall fight to the hilt for each drop of Mhadei. I can assure you that we are prepared to make such a sacrifice. You have to tell the people of Goa whether you are ready to resign in the interest of Goa and Goans.